Right then, this is part two. Everything's in. The gearbox is in now, and I've put the gearbox, instead of sitting on top of the chassis rails up here, I filed down the brackets for the gearbox, and I fitted it in there. So it's inside the chassis, inside at the bottom, which drops it down the thickness of that chassis, which means then there's no cutting of that one. That one can sit on there how it should. See, the gearbox is nice and low. I've just measured up the drive shaft, or the prop shaft as it is then, and I've got enough room for the servo to go in the front for the gear change. It's a 2-speed gearbox, that's all it needs. Probably leave it in 1 gear anyway. But that's the next one. It took a little while to suss it out and measure it all up and get it right, but it's done. The next thing will be all the cross members going in, which is quite basic, just off the instructions there. Well, everything's all off instructions now, really. The actual lorry, it was the main part was building the chassis with these axles. You can use a lesu chassis, but for the sake of a few holes being drilled out, it's cheaper just to use the Tamiya one that comes with the kit. And obviously with these axles in now, what I'll do is I'll build another 6x6, and I'll be able to sell that one to fund my next project. Great.